In this video, I'm going to show you how to reach out to Snapchat customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to pissconsumer.com. This is it here. It's a great website to find hard to reach customer service or customer support numbers or emails from companies. So once you're on this website, click on the search bar and then type in Snapchat, like so, and then we want to click on Snapchat here. It's got 12,000 reviews, almost time of recording. Then scroll down, and then we've got reviews, Q&A, contacts. Halfway down the page, chat box, an ad might appear. Just click out of the ad. And now if we scroll down a bit, you can see they've got a customer service number here, which is this number here. You can just click on call customer service. But if you'd rather send a message, they've got a send a message button here as well. You can click